yet another on-time flight. Last year, over 90% of Ryanair flights landed on time, beating every other European airline. Ryanair for the lowest fares and the best on-time record.
Ladies and gentlemen, Ryanair is delighted to welcome you to Bruxelles Charleroi about 15 minutes ahead of schedule. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the captain has switched off the fasten seatbelt sign and the main passenger door here at the front of the cabin has been opened for you. For those passengers who smoke,